Hello, this is Martin Brossman, and I want to show you today how to make a simple post on Google My Business, which is really important to keep updated for a small and micro business. I'm right now signed in to my Google My Business, what I call the back office, and you get there by google.com/my business and then sign in. From here, click post. Right here, post, or you can create a post here too by clicking the word create post. So I'm going to click post here, brings up another area. So here you can look at your posts. There's all offerings, if you've got them, what's new, events, if you've listed them. So this lets you review what's there already. Then here on this line is where you click to create something new. And I want to add an update, and the update is that I have a new podcast out. Okay, there's the title. Now I want to get a picture that I have already on my computer. You see, I want to crop it, make sure it shows up the way I'd like. Good. And then what do I want them to do? Put the link to the page, what's new. And I'm also going to grab a review that someone posted about it. So let's go ahead and grab it, crop it. Very cool. Add that as well. Got the post about it and review. I can have up to 10 images here. Okay, we've got our 2 pictures. We've got our text down. We've got our link to the show where we want them to go. We're asking them. Here is the link to the podcast on iTunes. If you enjoyed the show, we'd love to get a recommendation on iTunes. Now we can click preview in the lower right hand corner. Click preview. See what it looks like. That's cool. We're good. Good. I'm ready to publish. Now it's showing up here. And I'm now in Chrome Incognito to look it up. And the thing to understand here is that it may take a day or so before it showed up. It actually took 2 days before it showed up. So there's been a pause, and I'm coming back to it. So let's look up Martin Brossman Associates Incognito. Put in Martin Brossman Associates, press return, and scroll down. And there it is, right there. Click learn more. And it, of course, goes to what I wanted is the podcast on iTunes. Check it out. It'll be in the comment area below. But this completes the tutorial on how to make a post on your Google My Business page. Don't forget to click subscribe and the bell. Have a great day. This is Martin Brossman.